Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Baking Secrets by Anna. In today's video we are going to make double chocolate cinnamon rolls. They are so easy to make and so chocolatey, so let's get started. In a large mixing bowl you are going to add your 2 cups of flour and you are going to leave the rest of the flour for later. Sugar, yeast and cocoa powder. You are going to gently mix it using a spatula until combined. Then you are going to add in your melted butter, warm water and egg. And you're going to mix this using a hand mixer with dough hooks and for about 2 to 3 minutes until your dough is formed. Now that our mixture is fully combined, I'm going to add in the rest of the flour and mix until our dough is formed. Now that our dough is formed, I'm going to put it on the flour surface and knead it for about 3 to 5 minutes with my hands. If your dough needs more flour, keep adding flour onto your surface, but not too much, until your dough does not stick. And knead the dough until it's more elastic. Grease a bowl using some oil or some non-stick cooking spray and place your dough in. You are going to cover this with plastic wrap and let the dough rise for about 20 to 30 minutes. My dough have doubled in size and now I'm going to roll it out. And then I'm going to roll it out using my rolling pin in a rectangular shape. Now I'm going to spread my butter on top of the dough. The butter will help the cinnamon and sugar mixture to stick onto the dough. Now I have here my sugar and I'm going to add in my cinnamon. I'm going to give it a mix using a spoon and then sprinkle it on top of my dough. Now I'm going to start rolling out my dough from one side to the other. When you come to the end, pinch the edges on your dough to make sure that they stick. Now that our dough is rolled, I'm going to put some butter on my baking tin to prevent the rolls from sticking. Now that our baking tin is greased, I'm going to start cutting my cinnamon rolls. Firstly, I'm going to cut in the middle and then again in the middle of the other half. And continue cutting halves of each piece until I reach the size of cinnamon rolls I want. Take your cinnamon roll and place it on your baking tray. You can also cut the edges of the rolls because they don't have any filling. You're going to cover your rolls using plastic wrap and let them rise for about 1 hour until they double in size. Then you're going to bake them on 175 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes. Our cinnamon rolls came out of the oven and have cooled down completely, and now I'm going to pour a glaze over. Here I have some chocolate ganache. It's just some whipped cream and dark chocolate, and I've microwaved them until completely melted. Now I'm going to pour it over my cinnamon rolls. Our chocolate cinnamon rolls are ready and you can serve them right away. You can find all of the tools I use in the description box below. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for next week's video.